In livestock farming, it is essential to control the health and digestive system of animals. As such, new solutions need to be developed in the face of antibiotic resistance. Demedication is in progress. One alternative is to use acidifiers, which are a natural solution for reasoned health control. An acid is a molecule composed of different atoms that release hydrogen ions to reveal the power of acids. Acids are found in nature, in everyday products, and are also present in human and animal digestive systems. There are many forms of acids: strong, weak, mono and poly, organic and mineral, and even free or associated. They allow equally diverse actions, effectiveness at different pH levels, immediate or delayed action, single or multiple, bactericidal, bacteriostatic, or antifungal. In short, this complexity ensures complementarity of action. Vitalac has taken advantage of this complementarity in Vitacid, which combines technological and zootechnical expertise to create a precise and specific acid complex. This is programmed acidification technology. The effectiveness of a synergy of programmed actions throughout digestion in monogastric animals to maintain digestive health and boost the animal's natural digestive process. A positive health effect. Lower pH levels inhibit the growth of pathogenic flora. This is called a bacteriostatic action. Some acids are also able to eliminate pathogens that are already present. This is called a bactericidal action. From a nutritional point of view, acids stimulate beneficial flora and enzyme action, allowing better digestion and nutrient absorption, as well as optimizing the process. Distributed in water or feed, Vitacid products acidify the medium to improve the hygiene of raw materials. As the product is digested, it acidifies the upper portion of the digestive tract, decontaminating and breaking down alimentary boli. Acidification of the small intestine permanently secures the process and allows for optimal nutritional absorption. Finally, digestion is optimized in the large intestine, where Vitacid improves flora balance and absorption of ingested water. We offer different mixes, which are specifically tailored to each species, as well as each type of farm and problem. A comprehensive line for optimum response. With proven results in livestock farming. An investment for improved performances. Vitacid for healthy water and feed, digestive security, and optimized nutrition as part of a demedication process.